Hey, good morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Let's get right to it and show you what's going on in our weather here. So we have some lake effect snows up in the northern part of lower Michigan and across the UP. 1 to 3 inches of snow possible in some patches. Kalkaska, Charlevoix area, Boyne Falls, Boyne Mountain, Boyne City, all that region, the Gaylord area. Elsewhere, southern half of the state, a light snow shower here or there, but nothing that's too substantial. Hey, good morning, Gene Reinert from Mount Pleasant. Okay, so we're going to look at the big picture first. This is, I'm sorry, all the squiggly lines and everything. Let me even try to make it a touch bigger for you here, just on the fly. All right, so here we are with the European model, and we'll go into next week with it. Okay, so today we've got just some snow showers in the north. Hey, good morning, Delta Township, Tammy Robbins and Patricia Mayville from Heartland. Tomorrow is a good looking day, a little sunshine perhaps, and not much wind and slowly warming temperatures until we get to the evening. Then the winds pick up, and here comes the warming trend that I've been talking about. So this is Wednesday night, strong southwesterly flow. This is Thursday morning, strong southwesterly flow, strong warming going on. So this isn't going to be your quiet birds chirping. You're sitting on the patio, no wind, drinking a cup of coffee in the morning. It's going to be a windy warm up. Gusts probably 35 to 40 miles an hour on this one. So if you're thinking, I've got a project outside to finish, it's a good time to do it Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But if it's something that's like a big piece of sheet metal going on a shed, it's going to be a kite. Be careful there. So this is Thursday, dry. This is Friday, still into the warm air. Most of the areas now northern lower and the UP starting to get behind the cold front. So you can see the temperature pattern kind of getting tightly packed together. Good morning, Steve Matthews from Fort Wayne. And then we're into Saturday. And most models show that by sometime Sunday into Monday, the front sags south and then creeps back north and brings us a pretty solid precipitation event. We're in that time of the year where I got to use big fancy long phrases, precipitation event, instead of rain or snow, because this could be both of those. I'll show that to you in just a moment. So this is Sunday, late Sunday into Monday morning. It moves on to the east. Now we'll go into Thanksgiving week, okay? And here comes what looks to be, we're at Wednesday now, what looks to be toward the end of this model run, we're in Thanksgiving, a warming trend coming once again and could boost our temperatures back into the 50s, maybe even 60s. This would be late Thanksgiving Day if this all panned out. So the storm track's still to our north for the most part, still keeping Michigan in mostly the warm sector of the storm until it passes by. Here is our U.S. model, and we're going to start looking at this a lot closer now to see how it matches up with the European for the winter. The U.S. model has been tweaked, and it's been doing quite a good job here the last few months, but we'll see what it says on snow. So this is Sunday morning, and it's got the warm front. It's got the front all the way to north of Bay City to about Ludington, so it puts the southern half of the state in the warm sector of the storm. That's about 100 miles different from the European. And then on Sunday evening, it swings the cold front through. One pitfall we do know of the U.S. model is it moves everything too fast still. So you get out 5 days and it will be too fast on things. So this is the European model, just to give you a comparison. And this is Sunday morning. This is Sunday evening right there. And remember, the U.S. model had it already sweeping east. We're in the heart of the precipitation. So just take note of that. Does the precipitation come in Saturday night, dominate Sunday, or does it, hey, Corey Shelton from Jackson, or does it come in Sunday and last into Monday? If it does the latter, then the European still has pretty good timing. And you'll notice on the northern edges of this, we get some snow mixed in there. So how much snowfall today? You're looking at 1 to 3 inches in the snow belts of northwest lower Michigan. And what about with the system on the weekend and early Monday? Probably a couple of inches possible in the northern part of lower Michigan and the eastern part of the UP. Nothing still in line for a noteworthy snowfall in the southern half of lower Michigan. So highs today are cold. Take your coat with you. Tomorrow we bump it up about 6 degrees or so into the low to mid 40s. Then Thursday, in comes the wind. We're into the 50s in just about all of lower Michigan, upper 50s, southern half of the state. Hey, good morning, Greg Frost and Wayne Lynch. Good morning to you. Friday, about 60, maybe some low 60s in Detroit and Ann Arbor. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? And then Saturday, 50s, Sunday, 50s in southern lower, and then Monday, the system moves off and we start our cool down. But remember, that appears to only last for a day or so, and then the south winds come back as we head toward the Thanksgiving holiday. So there you have it. I hope you found this worth your time watching. I try to improve it all the time. It's a tough gig covering the whole state and making everybody happy, but hopefully a lot of you get some useful information out of this. Hey, good morning, Greg Simak from Boyne City. See you on here quite a bit. Thanks for chiming in there. So today, snow showers, northwest snow belts. Otherwise, it's just kind of a gray, cold day. We're back to a little bit better on Wednesday. Week's going fast now. Thursday, we're heading towards 60. And Friday, in a lot of spots, we are 60 degrees. Thanks for joining me on the MLive Morning Weather Update. The best thing you can do for me, if you'd like to help me out, is hit the share button. And in fact, I should ask you to do that at the beginning of each broadcast, because that's really how we spread the word of how we cover weather on MLive, is by you hitting the share button. Like is okay. Share is about 10 times better than a like. So take care. Thanks for joining me. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa.